Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Welcome to 7 Minutes Learning. Today we will talk about transformation of sentence. Many of my students have requested me, sir, make a video or some videos about transformation of sentence. Make some videos about simple, complex and compound. And this video actually for you guys who have requested me to make a video about simple, complex and compound. And this video is not only for particularly those students, the people who will take part in cadet college exam, or you will take part maybe BCS, bank or any other competitive exam. This video is for you, and above all, this video is for each and everybody, academic student who and the people who want to speak English, for them as well. So let's talk about it. Transformation of sentence. What is the meaning of transformation of sentence? It's called Bakke Rupantar in Bengali. Whenever you are learning any English topic, believe me or not, you have to understand the topic in Bangla. Believe me or not. So what is the meaning of transformation of sentence? Bakke Rupantar. And all of us know sentence can be classified in two ways, according to meaning and definitely according to structure. According to structure means গঠনগত ভাবে. Sentence is of three kinds, and according to meaning, sentence is of five kinds: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and definitely exclamatory. But whenever it comes to according to structure, sentence is three kinds: simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Simple means actually সরল বাক্য, complex sentence জটিল বাক্য, and compound means যৌগিক বাক্য. One by one, we will learn very easily. So watch this video until it is finished. So firstly, simple sentence. Let me write down a sentence for you. If I say this is a nice marker, this is a nice marker. Good. This is a simple sentence. Then what do you mean by simple sentence? Look at this. This sentence contains on subject and on verb. On subject and on verb. And if you say on subject and on finite verb, that's okay. So what is simple sentence? Simple sentence means the sentence which contains on subject and on finite verb is called simple sentence. Or you can say the sentence which consists of on subject and on finite verb is called simple sentence. You can simply pause the video and write down the definition because maybe you need it. So this is simple sentence because it has on subject and on finite verb. And next is come to complex sentence. If I write down this sentence like this is a marker which is nice. This is a marker which is nice. Look at this. Now I have already changed this, transformed this sentence to this sentence. This is a marker which is nice. This time look at this. This is on subject, is a verb, and which is a close marker, and it takes another verb that is is. So this time you can see pretty much two verbs and two subjects. So that means what is complex sentence? Complex sentence contains the sentence which contains more than on subject and more than on verb, and they are connected with subordinate conjunction, which is a close marker. At the same time, this is a subordinate conjunctions. We will learn it in this video today. What is subordinate conjunction? What is coordinate conjunction? What is correlated conjunctions? So you must know conjunctions whenever you are learning transformation of sentence. So what is complex sentence? Complex sentence is a sentence where actually there will be more than on verb and more than on subjects. So look at this. This is a marker which is nice, and definitely there will be a complex clause marker that we call subordinate conjunction or subordinate clause marker. I'm telling the definition again. The sentence which contains more than on subject and more than on verb, and they are connected with subordinate conjunction is called what? Complex sentence. তাই না? Okay, let's talk about compound sentence. What is compound sentence? You can make this sentence as compound very simply. You can say this is a marker and it is nice. Or simply this is a marker and it is nice. So look at this. This time these two clauses, this clause and this clause, is connected by and. You understand? This is connected by and. That's why this is called compound sentence. And compound sentence is a sentence where you will find more than one verb and more than one subjects and more than one verb, and they're connected by coordinating conjunction. This time you have to remember coordinating conjunction. And very interesting, look at this. What's the difference between complex and compound sentence? The main difference is whenever you, suppose if you erase this part, which is nice, it doesn't make sense. That means complex sentence contains two clauses. One is dependent clause, another is independent clause. This is dependent clause. I will make you understand everything crystal clear to you. This is dependent clause, dependent, and this is a marker. This is a marker. Actually this is called independent clause. Independent clause. Independent clause. And this is dependent clause. And independent clause, you already understand. Independent means the clause which can express its meaning by itself. This is called dependent clause. And whenever it comes to compound sentence, two clauses are connected by coordinating conjunction, and both of them are principal clause or main clause, or you can simply say independent clause. That means both clause can express themselves. Like it is nice. Simply if you say it is nice, the sentence is correct, and at the same time it can complete its meaning. And if you say this is a marker, that's fine as well. So this is pretty much simple, complex, and compound. Now let's talk about phrase and what? Clause. These two things you must know. So we can finish this video here. After that, we will, in another video, we will discuss about phrase and clause, and definitely conjunction and how they work and how they are connected with transformation of sentence. Thank you very much for being with us. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.